Divorce sucks. Let's not sugarcoat it. You feel like you lost everything. Your family, your home, your stability. But listen, this is not the end. It's a turning point. You can come out of this stronger. This video isn't just talk. It's a game plan to help you move forward. Divorce brings grief, anger, guilt, even relief. That's normal. But here's the key. You have to process it. Write it out. Journal your thoughts, even if it's just venting. Talk to someone. A friend, a support group, a coach. Don't isolate. Cut the self-blame. Divorce is messy. You didn't fail, you're evolving. Chaos breeds more chaos. Structure is your new best friend. Wake up at the same time every day. Don't just lie in bed. Move your body. Exercise clears mental fog. Eat like an adult. No drowning in fast food and whiskey. Small wins stack up. Get your foundation solid. Divorce nukes finances. Here's how to stabilize fast. Make a simple budget. What's coming in, what's going out. Track it. Close joint accounts. Protect yourself. Start fresh. Get a financial advisor. A pro can prevent big mistakes. If you avoid this stuff, it will bite you later. If kids are involved, they need stability. Never trash talk your ex in front of them. It damages them, not her. And passive-aggressive comments, just as bad, if not worse. Kids pick up on everything. Don't make them the middleman in your battles. Show up. Be present. Call, text, check in consistently. Life gets busy, but make their events a priority. Being there, even when it's hard, shows them they matter. Put them first. Not your ego. Not the fight. Them. Your kids don't need a perfect dad. They need a present one. This is where a lot of guys get stuck. Pick up an old passion. Sports, music, something that lights you up. Meet new people, not just dating, friends, mentors, community. Set a goal. Fitness, career, travel, or start a new project. Give yourself a mission. This isn't about getting over the past. It's about building your future. Divorce feels like an ending, but it's actually a beginning. The best version of you, he's ahead, not behind. So take a deep breath and move forward. Don't forget to drop a comment, like this video, and subscribe to my channel. Going through divorce, you don't have to do it alone. Let's rebuild together. Visit joshdolan.com to book a free consultation. And don't forget, live with purpose, love with passion, and keep pushing forward.